I feel the need for speed. Yow! Personal electric vehicles are becoming more popular as we find new ways of getting from A to B that are faster, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. Electric scooters in particular seem to be everywhere, but do you need one? What kind should you get? And how much should you spend? We're going to run through 3 main reasons you might want an electric scooter, and what you should look for before opening your wallet. So one of the main reasons to get a scooter is so that you can get to work and back home a lot faster. If you live or work in a large city, this could mean that you have to carry the scooter on public transportation or in a building, in which case you want something that's relatively small and light. You don't need an overly powerful scooter either, unless you're traveling on a lot of hills. Our favorite scooter for commuting, in fact our favorite scooter overall, is this one here. This is the Unagi Model 1. Now it's a bit more expensive. It costs about $990, but you get a few neat features with this. The Unagi Model 1 has a range of 15.5 miles and a top speed of 15 miles per hour. It has 2 250-watt motors, one front and one rear, so it can cope with most hills. It charges in just 4.5 hours and has a clear display and a great front light, as well as a rear light that flashes to show when you're braking. But the thing we like the most of all about this one is that it's very light. It weighs about 26 pounds and it's very easy to carry and take around with you. As well as looking great, the Unagi Model 1 is also fun to ride. However, it lacks suspension and has hard rubber wheels, which can make riding over potholes a bit rough. If you live in an area with bad roads, it's worth looking for a model with inflatable tires. As great as the Unagi Model 1 is, it's not the best scooter if you want to, say, go and get groceries. For that, you're going to want to find a scooter that has a basket like this one. This is the Gleon Balto, which can hold up to about 26 pounds, so there's plenty of space for going to the grocery store. And that's not all. Very few electric scooters come with a seat, and this one's fully detachable. Powered by a 500-watt rear-mounted motor, the Balto has a top speed of 17 miles per hour and a 20-mile range, despite weighing in at 38 pounds. Out in traffic, being seated makes the whole thing feel a bit more solid. Plus, there are great safety features like a side view mirror, front and rear lights, and even turn signals to make you feel even more secure on your run to the bakery. Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
You too. Now I've got our pastries. We're ready to go. I might be ready, but traffic is a different matter. And then there's the lights. When I do make it home, cannoli. It's good to know that the Gleon Balto breaks down pretty easily, too. Now, arguably, any electric scooter can be ridden for fun, but there are some that take it to the next level. One great example is the Apollo Ghost. This $1,500 beast has dual 800-watt motors, 10-inch pneumatic tires, and a full suspension, meaning you could ride this thing just about anywhere. At 64 pounds, it's way too heavy to carry easily, but its beefy battery will last up to 39 miles. It also has blue LED running lights, a key ignition, and eco and turbo modes. And it is fast. Scary fast. In turbo mode, it can reach speeds of up to 34 miles an hour. Okay. Yes, 34 miles an hour. A figure that we just had to put to the test, with a little help from local law enforcement. We hope this makes things clearer for you when shopping for an electric scooter. Above all, I hope you have a fun time riding it. I certainly do. Yow!